Hello friends, today I will discuss some important concept of conic section for JEE examination. So dear students, we have read about parabola y square is equal to 4ax in class 11, and we have also derived the formula for latus rectum and so on. But some concept which we have not read in class 11th, this is tangent. So dear students, please remember the equation of tangent at any point of parabola will be represented by y is equal to mx plus a upon m. This is the general equation of tangent at any point of parabola, where m is the slope of tangent. And so student, please remember it, this is always the general equation of tangent for parabola. And similarly, the point of contact, if this is tangent, this tangent is a tangent for a parabola, then the point of contact will be always, remember it will be a divided by m square comma 2a by m. This is so now this is the very important concept, tangent of a parabola, where we know the a is the focal distance from center to focus, vertex to focus, and this is a, this is called a, this s is focus, and y is equal to mx plus a upon m, always be tangent of parabola, and this tangent will contact this parabola at this point a by m square comma 2a by m. So please remember it. And one more thing, focal chord. So students, focal chord is also a very important concept. So for this, we also I want to introduce one thing, is parametric form. Parametric form of parabola is, a parametric point is 80 square to 80. Actually, any parabola can also be represented by x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. We have read out also about parametric equations. So this is the any general point 80 square comma 280 for parabola. And now actually I want to discuss about focal chord. So focal chord, we know that a chord which passes through the focus from any point of parabola is called focal chord. So now if we draw a focal chord from point P, which is passes through the S and contact other point at Q, then this PQ is called focal chord. But in this way, if this point is AT1 square 281 and point Q coordinate is AT2 square 282, then always for this focal chord, if this PQ passes through the focus, then always T1 into T2 is equal to minus 1. This is a very important concept, student. And we can find T2 directly. If we know T1, then we can find T2. If we know T2, then we can find T1. So these three concepts I want to introduce for parabola today. In next session I will introduce the ellipse for same. So dear students, what are we have discussed? First is tangent of a parabola, y is equal to mx plus a upon m, and the point of contact is a upon m square comma 2a upon m. And similarly, the focal chord is T1 T2 is equal to minus 1. If T1 and T2 are the parametric points of PQ which passes through the focus, this is the relation between T1 and T2. So dear students, and one more thing, the point of tangent we can also find directly. The relation between t and m also we can find. So this is the concept, and we will solve a question which have occurred in our JEE examination, and we can solve this question now very easily. And the question is, now we will see a question. Let one end of focal chord of parabola y square is equal to 8x is 1 by 2 minus 2. So now if we make a diagram, our diagram is not required, but suppose for explanation we made a diagram, and the point is 1 by 2 minus 2 here, and this is focal chord, means definitely passes through the focus and point of Q, and then equation of tangent at other end. We want to find the equation of tangent at other end. So one more relation we can find, that is at this point the equation of tangent and this. So relation between this and this also we can find. This t is equal to 1 by m. This is also, if we know t then we can find m, if we know m then we can find t. So if we use these tricks, then students, if here we can see y square is equal to 8x, first of all we will find a is equal to 2, because we will compare it by 4ax. So now our given point is, let it is 8t1 square to 8t1. It means at1 square is equal to 81 square is equal to 1 by 2, and a is equal to 2, therefore t1 square is equal to 1 by 4, therefore t1 is equal to 1 by 2. It means for this q, which is t2 point, then t2 is equal to minus 2 by the concept, this concept, student, please remember it. So now what is the coordinate of point q? Point q coordinate will be minus 2at2 square minus 2at2. The coordinate of q are 2 into minus 2 square means 8, and 2at2, it will be 2at2. It means the point will be, t1 is equal to 1 by 2, then t2 is equal to minus 2 will be, then it is minus 8 minus 8. So now the equation of tangent at q. Now if this 8 is represented by a by m square, then m square is equal to 2 by 8. It means m is equal to 1 by 4. M square is equal to, then m is equal to 1 by 2. So now the m is 1 by 2, m is 1 by 2, and equation of tangent will be y is equal to 1 by 2x plus 2 by 1 by 2 means 2 by 1 by 2 means y 1 by 2. So now when we calculate it, it will be calculated when the bar is 4. 2y plus is equal to x plus 8 r. This is our answer. It means the fourth value is answer. So now I have explained this question. I hope you have understood. So please, now I will send my next video for same for ellipse and so many more topics for parabola. Please see it very clearly, carefully, and it will be helpful for your examination. Best of luck for your exam. Thank you, and subscribe if like this video. Thank you.